Ah, spring is in the air. The skies are blue, the grass is green, and your AC unit is dusty. Wait, your AC unit is dusty? That's right, dust has accumulated in your HVAC unit over the winter. Too much dust in your HVAC can cause damage to your heating and cooling system by not allowing the coils to work efficiently. This leads to a home that cannot be properly heated or cooled, despite the HVAC system working overtime to do so. At 24/7 Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, we see the value in a tune-up and a complete cleaning of your HVAC system. While other companies are offering just a tune-up, we are offering a tune-up that involves a full cleaning of your AC unit, all for just $89. So call 24/7 Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling today to make sure this spring is a time of comfort for you and your loved ones.